In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly embed a YouTube video into your Google site. This process is simple and will allow you to share content efficiently on your personalized platform. If you are creating a digital portfolio, a classroom website, or even a business page, embedding video content can enhance your site's interactivity and engagement. Let's dive right in. First things first, we need to go directly to Google Sites. Simply open up your favorite web browser and type in the Google Sites URL in the search bar. Google Sites is an amazing tool provided by Google, allowing you to create and publish web content with ease, even if you don't have a technical background. Once you're on the Google Sites homepage, you can start by either opening an existing project or creating a new site from scratch, whichever suits your current needs. Now that we're on Google Sites, let's navigate over to the menu on the right-hand side. This is where most of your building tools will be located. Look for the tab labeled Insert. Clicking on this tab will reveal various options that you can integrate into your site. From here, find the option that says YouTube. This tool allows for a direct and easy integration of YouTube content into your web pages, eliminating the need for complicated code or advanced technical know-how. After you have clicked on YouTube, it will prompt you to enter the link to the video you want to embed. So head over to YouTube in a new browser tab and find your video. Once you've located it, simply copy its URL. Head back over to Google Sites and paste this link into the space provided. By doing this, your video will be ready to insert into your current page. With your video link pasted, go ahead and click the Insert button. This action will add your chosen video to your web page, positioned exactly where you want it. You might notice a preview of your video on your editing page, giving you the chance to adjust its placement. Whether you want the video at the top, bottom, or anywhere else on the page, you can easily drag it to your desired spot. And just like that, you're done. Your selected YouTube video is now embedded into your Google site. This newly added media can provide visitors to your site with enriched content, offering a visual and auditory experience that mere words could not achieve. You can customize further by editing your site's layout, adding text, images, or other media, ensuring your content looks polished and professional. Thanks for following along. Hopefully you feel more equipped to manage your Google site now that you can embed videos directly. Feel free to explore additional features Google Sites offers. It truly is a flexible platform that can meet a variety of personal or professional needs. Happy creating!